The episode starts with Malhar Sarkar asking Tukoji to tell the people about the tax rules. Nobody should trick them. Gangoba says the farmers got killed for the tax, so people are afraid and upset also. You said we should catch the attackers soon. Everyone is waiting. We did not succeed in this. That's why the farmers' faith can get shaken. Malhar Sarkar says the enemy is ahead of us. Devi Ahilya thinks. She says maybe we can get some help in this work. Malhar Sarkar asks her to say. She says we should give right direction to this search. I have an idea. Dhanaji comes to the palace. He meets Dwarkabai. She asks, what's the matter? You appear happy? He says yes. Thank God. Devi Ahilya and Yuvraj Khanderao would not let me live. They made Gunoji a villain. Tukoji comes and says, I was going to send you a message to come. Malhar Sarkar said, we will investigate the farmer's murder problem so soon. We cannot delay more. Devi Ahilya has given a good suggestion to Malhar Sarkar. Dwarka Bai asks, can we know what idea she gave? Tukoji says, we want the name and address of everyone who pays the tax. We will call an artist. He will make the sketch of the culprits by talking to the farmers. It will be easy to find the culprits. The Naji says, fine. I will give the details. Tukoji goes. The Naji thinks, I had sent all of them to go away from Malwa. Now I think their survival can become a threat for us. Devi Ahilya comes to Khanderao's room and talks to him. She says, sorry, I could not catch the attackers. I am not able to find anything. She cries. Dwarkabai and Gotma Rani Sahib are in the temple. Dwarkabai says, I do not understand. How did you change your heart so soon? Gotma Rani Sahib says, Malhar Sarkar said, I should do Abhishek for Devi Ahilya and Yuvraj Khanderao, both. They argue. Dwarkabai says, Devi Ahilya is taking Gongoba's palace in the Darbar. She is discussing in every matter. Gangoba is the chief advisor, but Devi Ahilya had taken this matter in her hand. Gotma Rani Sahib looks on. Gangoba is with Malhar Sarkar. They discuss some important matters which are stuck. Gangoba says, we have to see some road repairs and bridge constructions are also due. Malhar Sarkar says, I did not forget anything. Gangoba says, I feel the help would not be enough. We have to think of some mission. Malhar Sarkar says, it's not possible at such places. Gangoba says, Nizam has the lake area in his control. We can attack there and get the treasures. Malhar Sarkar says, idea is good. I liked it. Do one thing. Ask the advisors and soldiers to be present in the Darbar. If they all agree, then prepare for the attack. They go. Dwarka Bai and Gotma Rani Sahib come and look on. Dwarka Bai says, Devi Ahilya got another responsibility now. Rakma comes. Dwarka Bai says, we have to talk to the jeweler and ask him to make idols. We have to finish the household's duties. Rakma has to handle everything now. Rakma says, sure. Dwarka Bai says, it's the work of Holkar family, Bahu. But Devi Ahilya is busy. Gotma Rani Sahib says, Devi Ahilya has to take time out for this work. Rakma cannot handle this alone. Devi Ahilya will keep this duty. Gotma Rani Sahib angrily takes Devi Ahilya with her to the temple. Devi Ahilya asks, is everything fine? Gotma Rani Sahib gives a flower in Devi Ahilya's hand and asks her to swear that she will not go to Darbar. Devi Ahilya says no. Gotma Rani Sahib says, you have to get free from Darbar and Rajya work. Dwarka Bai looks on. Gotma Rani Sahib asks, can you leave the work or not? Dwarka Bai asks, why is Devi Ahilya silent now? Gotma Rani Sahib asks Devi Ahilya to answer, can she leave the Rajya work or not to handle her household? She says, you are still silent. It means everyone was saying right. You say you have no greed of for Rajya throne. Then why cannot you leave this work? She scolds Devi Ahilya. Devi Ahilya asks, how can you think so? Gotma Rani Sahib says, I am tired of explaining you. You got a chance now. Yuvraj Khanderao is not here. You are free to fulfill your wish and greed. Devi Ahilya says, no, nothing is important than Yuvraj Khanderao for me. Gotma Rani Sahib says, then swear that you will handle the household. Devi Ahilya says, I do not trust myself if I can do this. I can stay silent or not seeing the people in trouble. He cries and returns the flower to Gotma Rani Sahib. She says, I do not want to promise you. It will be insult of you. I do not want this.